are you doing down there, Orange? Oh, goodness. Ow. What are you doing down there? Those are my icky yard shoes. Going to... Oh, your brother was right there. Yes, he was right there. Orange. On the bother. Chico. You are so pretty. All right. This is for your mama. This is for your mama, Linda. Can you do anything cute? Or is it nap time? Good girl. Oh. It's nap time. Bye-bye. Have a night.